was resting in the shed. What you need, Gordon, is an overhaul, boasted Thomas. What's a overhaul? Asked Percy.
I don't care,
Whistled Gordon loudly when there are two big engines in front. Two big engines in front, said James. What nonsense!
that has a date on the envelope. It's gonna be tossed.
He chuckled. Two engines pulling express coaches? That's silly!
No doubt. And we won't.
Sorry, Gordon, said Thomas. We didn't want to play tricks on you. Soon after Gordon felt like he had rest, he and Henry brought the coaches to the station. A lot of people were waiting, and Henry felt very pleased of himself. All the people were very happy.
My sister has rung to tell me she can't come to stay with me. I was so looking forward to her visit.
After the two big engines heard the conductor's whistle, Gordon and Henry set off. Later, Henry and Gordon were speeding through the countryside. Silly tank engines, laughed Gordon. I could still pull expresses for a while. Now, Henry and Gordon were crossing the hill. Now what, Henry? Said Gordon.
And you see the press truck? That is how I nearly got killed by ants,
said Henry. When the two big engines reached the top, they started to go down. Suddenly, Gordon was out of control. Henry was scared. He had never gone fast. Help! Help! Help!
I need somebody.
Help!
Not just anybody.
Help!
You know I need someone.
Help! I can't stop! I can't stop! And he blew his whistle several times very, very loud. The loud noise causes the windows of the express coaches to break. Suddenly, a red car trundled through the express line. Look out, Gordon! Henry shouted. We were cutting down trees. Slow down, Gordon! Slow down, Henry! Shooted neighbors. We can't! Gordon and Henry cried as they shot past. Luckily, no one was hurt. Are you alright, Gordon? Asked Henry in horror. Later, Henry was uncoupled from Gordon, and he moved on to the other line out of the way. Don't worry, Gordon, said Henry. I'm sure you're okay, but now I could get to the next station. And he chortled away. At last, Gordon was back on the rails. He felt very foolish indeed. Edward took him to the Sodor Steamworks. Gordon had to stay at the washdown for a long time.